Hey guys, this is Fundo on Manchupagama. Tonight on Imbewu, Mzwandile goes out to look for Slindile and is eventually called to identify her body at the mortuary. And he found that it is Zandile who owned the mortuary. And he wants to investigate who caused the accident, and the driver of the taxi, he wants to kill him. After learning about the confrontation Shira had with Dr. Wellens, Mira has a physical altercations with Shira, which ultimates in her finding being hurt in front of Nairobi. And Shira, it seems like, is abusing Mira. But when Nairobi got the truth, he became disappointed and not be a grandmother. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.